Rolls-Royce spirit of innovation. Canadian robotics has something for us too. A local company built a robotic arm that gives injections without a needle. But today, we want to talk about this universal platform. Allows you to create a robot for a variety of tasks. The main purpose of the platform is to help with research projects. So they made it as open as possible to anything new. You can easily install cameras, lidars, manipulators, sensors, etc. Whether you design them yourself, buy them from other brands or from the manufacturer, unique programs of your own design or existing ones can be integrated seamlessly. The ROSE software plugin that allows you to do this is factory installed. The standard platform can carry up to 165 pounds of payload at speeds of up to 2 miles per hour. It is already used by hundreds of scientists and engineers around the world, and the data obtained has served as the basis for many scientific articles. MAOS Sticks Pro. Even 11, though we are inside the 21st century, many nations nonetheless have issues with warm water. In 2022, the delivery is limited, even in Germany, one of the motives being the dearth of electricity resources. And in France, the state of affairs is even worse. There are even plans to show off warm water inside the lavatories of public homes and decrease the temperature of water in public swimming pools. So the populace desires a solution, and the producers of solar hot water structures got here to the rescue. This device is environmentally friendly, low-priced, and convenient. New substances have made those structures 20% greater productive, and contemporary day pumps require a modest 28 watts of electricity. Also, producers did not overlook approximately safety. There's an automated launch of a moderate stress device, and you may lock the most temperature. Seacharger Plus Solar Butterfly. This product is no less useful. This rotary cultivator attachment is ideal for hard-to-reach places and areas that are difficult to work in. The working width of the model is 20 centimeters. The manufacturer highlights the high-strength steel and the ability to work with different types of brushes. Mower. For example, in this video, you can see the cordless electric model Eco, which allows up to 86 minutes of work, depending on the battery. All in all, yes, it's quite a strain on your hands. The brush cutter weighs an average of about 7 pounds even without the battery, and adds another 4 pounds with the attachment. Therefore, it pays to choose models with a strap-on attachment system and adjust the length of the handle to achieve optimal balance. And then you can start weed control with peace of mind. Our next stop is Norway. This country is known for its extensive fishing and shipping industries, as well as offshore oil and gas exploration. It is not surprising that this multi-purpose robotic device showed up there. It has many applications from port security to seismic surveys and fish stock assessments. The model adapts flexibly to the tasks of the client. These are the basic features: maximum speed of about 14 days of operation in about 4 Satium and Iridium support. A special control station is supplied for monitoring. If necessary, it can be transferred from land to a ship. And the station will also automatically notify you of problems, such as danger of collision. And the slogan for the device is just 3 words: the unmanned future. Dream Glass Flow. From small tasks to ones which could extract the lives of a wide variety of people. Did you realize that with the aid of using 2030, the EU can gain a wonderful figure? 80% of electricity may be received without the usage of fossil fuels. So this improvement may be very crucial and may emerge as a splendid supplement to wind generators and sun panels inside the future. The call of the assignment is Wave Roller, and its concept is to generate electricity with the assist of waves. It's being evolved in Finland, and the cutting-edge development is as follows: relying at the place area. The ability of every block tiers from 350 to 1.0 may be positioned in water depths starting from 26 to 66 feet. The gadget is hooked up as much as 2187 yards offshore, and every unit is independent, permitting separate gadgets to be provided for faraway farms lighthouses, and different infrastructure. The running precept resembles the outlet and ultimate of a door. A large paddle actions, a hydraulic cylinder, and the electrical generator works, thanks to the stress within the device. CECDHLR 201 TV, a sad statistic. In the last 250 years, 571 plant species have become extinct. But there is also good news. More than 400 species previously thought to be extinct have been seen again. The fact is, rare plants often live in places no one has set foot on, such as the sheer cliffs of Hawaii. And to save them from extinction, you need such a device. On screen is a collaboration between Canadians and Hawaiian experts. This drone with a robotic arm will help gather enough materials to grow rare plants at the local botanical garden. And then the newcomers are transplanted into the wild, increasing their numbers. The drone has been successfully tested in wind gusts up to 23. The tests brought the scientists 11 samples from 5 plant species that cannot be collected without a drone. So let's wish the team the best of luck in saving our planet's flora. So Matic, the assignment is funded with the aid of using the EU, and the team's work, in keeping with the website, spans 4 continents. Stretchy. A protection shield is a totally famous profession. For instance, in Russia, in 2019, there had been approximately 600 to 7,000 certified protection guards. Of course, contemporary day era makes habitual inspection of any territory now no longer simplest greater efficient, however additionally greater interesting. A placing instance is that this Russian robot protection shield primarily based totally at the Universal Venom platform. Powered with the aid of using electricity, the robotic may be charged from an regular 220 volts outlet. Abandoning the gas engine made the robotic tons much less noisy. That's crucial for a protection device. Remote manipulate in aggregate with synthetic intelligence enables patrolling in awful weather. And the registration code popularity device simplifies monitoring vehicles. The rate is $11,151. Sesbe Arkeoli Tornado. Let's see what Japanese engineers are up to. Once again, they surprised us by thinking outside the box. Drones tend to get better. They increase in size, place larger capacity batteries, more powerful motors, etc., but the Japanese took a different approach. The JSK Lab team at the University of Tokyo built a robotic kite that changes shape during flight, aptly named Dragon. Tests have shown the drone is capable of carrying weights of at least 2 pounds too, moving objects and even turning valves. Both the robot's segments and propellers rotate, so it can even curl up into a ring or take the shape of a spiral. However, there is still a lot of work ahead of us. According to the team, their dream is to create a flying humanoid, something like an unmanned Iron Man. Liam F1. We are visiting an American company that manufactures septic tanks and various fiberglass products. Things are going well for her. The company has nearly 1,500 manufacturing spaces, and that makes sense. Finally, the collection and treatment of wastewater is important for both owners and businesses. The septic tanks offered by the company can be divided into 3 categories: pump, standard, and all-in-one. Maximum installation depth is 48 inches and capacity is up to 1,500 gallons. High-quality polyethylene and ribbed constructions allow it to operate without internal skeletal support, and the septic tank is even resistant to sulfuric acid. In addition, the company's septic tanks can be installed in areas with high water tables and are offered a lifetime warranty. A nice bonus.